An alarm sounds, indicating a possible chlorine leak at a local water treatment facility. 2 men are missing and in a remote location out of reach of help. Local law enforcement and fire have secured the location, but the incident requires a more specialized technical response that these local agencies can provide. This is not a real emergency, but a training exercise recently conducted in Lakeville. When a real emergency scenario like this happens, law enforcement in Dakota County calls in the Special Operations Team.
Dakota County Special Operations Team is made up of numerous agencies, cities throughout the county, both police, fire, and EMS personnel.
The Special Operations Team was formed as a result of a joint powers agreement in 2003 between Dakota County and the county's larger cities. Sergeant Chad Hagan of the Lakeville Police Department and an SOT team member put special emphasis on the realistic training that these monthly exercises provide.
We all come together to form a special operations team. This team is comprised of people that are trained in hazardous materials, they're trained in confined space, trench rescue, high-angle rope rescue, just to name a few. And we train once a month as a group with all those different specialties to keep our skills enhanced and to also learn from each other.
The Special Operations Team provides a coordinated, less fragmented response between agencies during an incident and assists in the resolution of the emergency. The group trains to respond to many incidents, including confined space rescues.
Confined space rescue training consists of maybe somebody is trapped inside of an area which is, a confined space could be inside of a boiler, it could be into a small opening such as a manhole, underground sewer pipes, that kind of thing, where we practice rescuing people, victims, that kind of thing out of those areas and bringing them out safely.
Our job is to assist the agencies that call us.
Paul Young, a Burnsville firefighter and incident commander for this training exercise, emphasizes the importance of communications and specific information as being crucial in these types of search and rescue operations.
First, we came out to recon the incident. After that, we sent in a crew to see what kind of chlorine readings we have, to see what kind of PPE we're going to need, personal protective equipment, to make the rescue. With that, a confined space rescue is very labor intensive and equipment intensive, so we're setting up rope systems. We have a large logistics component as well. Rope systems, airlines, we're going to send our guys in on air while monitoring the entire time to make sure that all our personnel are safe as well.
The Special Operations Team has been involved in some high-profile operations in recent years.
I think the latest one that people would recognize was the Farmington grain bin rescue that we were involved in here several months back. We were also at the 35W bridge collapse. We responded to that. We've been to several other hazardous material calls throughout the county. We were pretty much a who's who, I guess, of different trades throughout the county. We get called to a whole series of different things throughout the course of a year.
The SOT team also works with local emergency response teams to help preserve crime scenes and plan and execute tactical measures to protect victims. Sergeant Hagan is eager to get the word out to other emergency responders about the help the Special Operations Team can provide to the cities in Dakota County.
We're available at any time if a fire or police department realizes they don't have the resources available to respond to a specific threat or need. They can have our team paged out and we respond right to the scene. And we don't come to a scene to take over, we come to work with the local jurisdiction to make sure that they have the resources they need to get the job done.